หมูใบหมื่นผมเป็นเปื่อนโล7 กรัม
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're rediving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about. How to finally say goodbye to that annoying, itchy, dry scalp. I know firsthand how frustrating it can be. You wear a dark shirt, and suddenly it looks like a snowstorm just hit your shoulders. Or that constant, nagging itch that you just can't seem to satisfy. It's not just uncomfortable, it can really knock your confidence. But the good news is, relief is totally possible. And I am going to share the exact steps that have worked wonders for me and so many others. First things first, let's talk about what might be causing that dryness. It's not always just about the weather getting colder. Things like using harsh shampoos with sulfates, washing your hair too often with super hot water, product buildup, and even stress can all contribute to a dry, irritated scalp. It's like your scalp is sending out an SOS signal, and our job is to listen and respond with a little TLC. So, where do we start? The foundation of a healthy scalp is a gentle cleansing routine. You want to look for shampoos that are sulfate-free and contain moisturizing ingredients. Think aloe vera, tea tree oil, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid. Yes, the same stuff you use on your face can be amazing for your scalp too. When you're washing your hair, use lukewarm water instead of hot. Hot water feels great, but it can strip your scalp of its natural oils, making the dryness even worse. And be gentle. Instead of scratching aggressively with your nails, use the pads of your fingertips to massage the shampoo into your scalp. This helps to lift away flakes without causing more irritation. Now, let's move on to my favorite part, treatment. This is where you can really give your scalp a concentrated dose of hydration. One of the best things you can do is a pre-shampoo oil treatment, or a pre-poo. You can use oils like coconut, jojoba, or argan oil. Just warm up a small amount in your hands and gently massage it all over your scalp. I like to do this about 30 minutes before I hop in the shower. The oil helps to soften and loosen any flakes, making them easier to wash away, and it provides a protective barrier so the shampoo doesn't strip your scalp. Another game changer is incorporating a dedicated scalp serum into your routine. These are lightweight treatments that you apply directly to your scalp after washing on damp or dry hair. Look for ingredients like peppermint oil to soothe, or salicylic acid to gently exfoliate away dead skin cells. You just part your hair in sections and apply a few drops directly to the scalp, then massage it in. It feels so refreshing. And over time, it helps to balance your scalp's moisture levels. And don't forget about your diet and lifestyle. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is huge. What you put inside your body